to upload HD videos on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Whether you're sending a crisp vacation video or a project file, you'll want to preserve the high quality, and WhatsApp now makes it easier. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're updated to the latest version of WhatsApp. Next, go into the chat where you want to send the HD video. This could be an individual or group chat. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it. From the list of options, select Photo and Video Library. Now browse your media library and select the video you want to upload. Note, if your video is too long, WhatsApp might prompt you to trim it. Go ahead and trim if necessary. Now look. Here's the most important part. Once your video preview opens, look at the top of the screen. You'll see an HD icon. It might look like HD or a gear setting symbol depending on your iOS version. Simply tap on it. You'll be given two options: Standard Quality, HD Quality. Select HD Quality and then tap Done. You can add a caption if you like. Otherwise, just skip this step. Finally, tap the Send button. Well, that's it. See you in the next one.